Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today, and from what I hear, there was a maintenance company here and was unable to get the drain cleared, but he changed the P-trap. So we're gonna go up, show him how it's done, and get everything going. So let's see what we find when we go up there.
How do you like working on Saturdays?
Saturdays, Sundays, they're all the same. Hopefully they treat me good.
Well, I mean, pay-wise, you know? It says like $2, right?
This is true.
I had to drain it out because there's a couple inches of water in the sink.
Really, eh?
Yeah. Well, personally, I think it's either somebody above me or below me. I don't know.
Could be, you know.
Did you hear earlier?
No, apparently it was the maintenance guys.
Okay, well, yeah. They changed the trap. I wasn't here.
No, eh?
They're not making with the nut no more in the bottom?
They do still, but it's the really good brass and copper.
Yeah, exactly.
This stuff is so cheap, they don't use that anymore, the good stuff. This stuff, it's, like this rubber will outlast all this.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
I mean, you know, that's a nut. Shit, I would fix on myself. I'm taking that out by the fucking chip to do that.
100%. But they look at the cost and it's like, oh, well, that's going to cost more money. They don't look at the fact that it's going to last 10 times longer, right? So, can't say nothing.
No, I didn't pay.
That's exactly it, my friend. It looks like you guys might be back to back. No, I'm gonna snake it out.
many feet did you want?
About 20 down. So that should be well enough with what floor we're on here, because like rightfully you should only have to go down like 10 feet.
I hope this don't turn into a freaking nightmare, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Over here 3.5 years and been pretty smooth so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm pretty good with maintenance here, that's what it is. There she goes, eh?
Yeah. We're just gonna let this run for a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure it's not gonna back up.
Yeah. I put drain in there yesterday.
Yeah.
It went down and
Went down, came
half,
back up.
half hour later it burnt back up on the ship.
Yeah.
It's insane stuff.
So I'm just gonna do some paperwork while this runs.
What do you think? What's on your table?
Oh no, that's good. Thank you. Bring my own little table with me.
Technology's wonderful, eh?
Oh yes.
What do you think?
Grease, yeah.
Grease?
So the cable came back black, and that black is actually grease from the pipe.
They use olive oil. Only cook with olive oil.
Yeah, the problem is it's cast iron pipe in the wall, right? So anything, like, it gets rusty from the inside because of the water, right? And so it starts rusting and then it starts gathering up like little bits of grease, so catch on and build up over time and slow everything down.
I think it's worth about 50 more.
Oh yeah.
It's a relief.
Yes, I can imagine. Yeah. No, that's exactly it. It's like if it starts to back off or not, it's like you get scared too, right? It's like, well, now I can't go up because what happens if it starts flooding, right? I've had a lot of people. It's like they're like, it's been flooding for 2 days. I'm like, didn't you let them know? Well, you know, I'm like, well, you gotta let them know, right?
Well, I tried to fix it myself, and then it's not. It's just required the full.
Well, you know what? A lot of people. I've literally been to units. The kitchen was flooding. Like, I mean, into the living room. And I asked the guy, I'm like, dude, your thing's flooding. Like, that's not my problem. I'm like, this your home. What do you mean that's not your problem? It's like, you could at least try to maintain it. He's like, they got management for that. It's like,
No, you just smell it.
oh yeah.
Yeah, put on a plumber.
Oh yeah?
Like that, because they do more like that.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
That's all over the world, man. South Africa.
Really?
Bulgaria.
That'd be nice to be able to travel like that to do my work. Okay, so brother, I'm gonna leave you here.
Yeah.
Keep this running for about a half an hour. All right. And if you do notice it starts backing up, let them obviously shut it off, and then just let them know, and I'll come back and figure out something after that. All right.
Good man, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you. All right, brother. Have a good weekend. All right.
You too.
Thank you. All right, guys. So everything's looking good. The tenant's happy, and that's all that really matters in the end. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.